Introducing the 2014 Porsche Boxster. This two-door, two-passenger convertible has not yet reached the 20,000 kilometer mark. Porsche made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Porsche are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power convertible roof, and power seats. Porsche ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.